So, what happens when you take this with you? You're leafing! Let's do some hiking. My friend Susie and I went to White Oak Canyon Falls in the Blue Ridge Mountains. We could not have picked a better day for the hike, and it was absolutely gorgeous. The leaves were still falling, the wind was perfect, the sun was perfect, the color was perfect. Yes, even sitting on the rocks was perfect. And the waterfalls were perfect as well. I'm extremely blessed living only an hour from all these locations like this. We have a tradition where we try to go once a year at least in the fall to be able to see all the colors, and the waterfalls with all the colors is absolutely stunning. It's so amazing just to be able to stop, relax, and just take it all in. Also, our lives are so filled with busyness and craziness and distractions. It's nice to get out and not be distracted and just enjoy the beautiful nature that God has put in front of us. We ended our trip with a cool tunnel, some beautiful overlooks, and some of the best views in this entire area. So next time you find yourself in the mountains, stop at an overlook and look and look and look. It's so beautiful. I hope you enjoyed coming on this adventure with us, and I hope you have a super blessed day, and we'll see you on the next video.